It was powerful. It was enlightening. It was just fantastic.
It's been blowing my mind. It's been definitely inspiring me to up-level my game.
And you really can't go wrong with that when everybody's operating a high vibration and frequency.
This year has been not only the connections, but the sense of awareness. Awareness always precedes action, and being able to actually connect with people, not just in a verbal sense or intellectually, but heart to heart.
I am having such an amazing time. This is my third in a row, and it is the best one so far.
The most special moment was meeting David in person.
Oh.
He's my favorite.
Everything is so eye-opening. I feel like I'm leveling up to something else that is amazing in my life yet to come, giving us inspiration to be better, to be more, and to change the world. Thank you so much.
Mindvalley, a student for life.
This has been amazing and the most well thought out conference I've ever attended. So thank you.